Overcoming the Fear of Failure, a comprehensive guide. The fear of failure is a universal human emotion that can hold us back from pursuing our dreams, achieving our goals, and living our lives to the fullest. Whether it's the fear of failing in our careers, relationships, or personal endeavors, this anxiety can be debilitating and prevent us from taking risks, trying new things, and reaching our full potential. In this article, we'll explore the root causes of the fear of failure, its effects on our lives, and most importantly, strategies for overcoming this fear and achieving success. Understanding the fear of failure. The fear of failure is a natural human emotion that can manifest in different ways. Some people may experience anxiety or stress when faced with a challenge or uncertainty, while others may feel overwhelmed or paralyzed by the fear of failure. This fear can be deeply rooted in our psyche, often stemming from past experiences, societal pressures, or our own self-doubt. The root causes of the fear of failure. So, what causes the fear of failure? Here are some common root causes. 1. Past experiences. Traumatic events, past failures, or negative experiences can create a deep-seated fear of failure. 2. Societal pressures. The pressure to succeed, societal expectations, and the fear of not meeting others' expectations can contribute to the fear of failure. 3. Self-doubt. Low self-esteem, self-doubt, and negative self-talk can fuel the fear of failure. 4. Fear of rejection. The fear of rejection, criticism, or disapproval from others can hold us back from taking risks and pursuing our goals. 5. Perfectionism. The need for perfection can create an unrealistic expectation of success and lead to a fear of failure. The effects of the fear of failure. The fear of failure can have a significant impact on our lives, causing us to 1. Miss opportunities. The fear of failure can prevent us from taking risks and pursuing new opportunities. 2. Experience anxiety and stress. The fear of failure can lead to anxiety, stress, and feelings of overwhelm. 3. Limit our potential. The fear of failure can hold us back from reaching our full potential and achieving our goals. 4. Develop a fixed mindset. The fear of failure can lead to a fixed mindset, causing us to believe that our abilities and intelligence are fixed and cannot be developed. Strategies for overcoming the fear of failure. So, how can we overcome the fear of failure? Here are some strategies to help you build confidence, develop a growth mindset, and achieve success. 1. Reframe failure. View failure as an opportunity for growth, learning, and development. 2. Set realistic goals. Break down large goals into smaller, achievable steps to build confidence and momentum. 3. Develop a growth mindset. Believe that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through hard work, dedication, and persistence. 4. Practice self-compassion. Treat yourself with kindness, understanding, and patience, just as you would a close friend. 5. Take calculated risks. Take calculated risks to build confidence and develop a sense of self-efficacy. 6. Seek support. Surround yourself with supportive people who encourage and motivate you to pursue your goals. 7. Learn from failure. Reflect on past failures and use them as opportunities for growth and learning. 8. Focus on progress. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, to build motivation and confidence. Building resilience. Building resilience is critical to overcoming the fear of failure. Here are some strategies to help you develop resilience. 1. Develop a positive mindset. Focus on positive thoughts, affirmations, and self-talk to build confidence and motivation. 2. Practice mindfulness. Practice mindfulness techniques, such as meditation and deep breathing, to manage stress and anxiety. 3. Develop problem-solving skills. Develop problem-solving skills to build confidence and self-efficacy. 4. Seek support. Surround yourself with supportive people who can provide guidance and encouragement.